Hi, welcome to One Task at a Time. I'm Marlena. For today's task, I'm going to be cleaning this very badly stained baking sheet. Alright, so to clean this, I'm going to make a paste using baking soda and hydrogen peroxide, and I'm going to spread it as evenly as I can over the baking sheet. I will leave this for at least 2 hours before I start scrubbing. Okay, so this has been sitting for about 3 hours now, and I'm going to start scrubbing it using a plastic scrubby that I got at the Dollar Tree. I'm just going to start scrubbing in little circular motions using the baking soda as an abrasive. Okay, so this is what it looks like after using the hydrogen peroxide and baking soda mixture. And now I'm also going to sprinkle on a little bit of Barkeeper's Friend. This stuff is amazing, and I think it'll help get some of these darker stains off. Now that I have gotten as much off as I can with the Barkeeper's Friend, I'm just going to give it a quick wash with Mrs. Meyer's dish soap. This one is in the rosemary scent. Alright, so the baking sheet is clean. It is not perfect, but it is a lot better than when we started. I do feel like I can use this now. This baking sheet had been sitting at the bottom of my baking drawer for years and years and years, and now I'm finally going to be able to use it. This little task is done. Thank you guys so much for watching.